Hi guys, today I'm going to make an experiment with eggs. The materials are salt, sugar, flour, and 2 eggs. The egg, it cannot stand it because the shape is an oval. How can we make it stand? First,
Yay!
how about we use sugar?
Wow, it's working.
Hey guys, my second experiment is floating egg. The materials are salt, 2 glasses of water, and 2 eggs. A good egg cannot float. It can sink. How can we make the second egg float? You use salt to make it float.
Mix it.
Now let's try it. Wow, it would just work. My third experiment is bouncy egg.
The
The
material.
materials are vinegar, empty glass, and an egg. First step, we put the vinegar. Second step, we put the egg. Guys, this is not a fast experiment because it only takes 1 day. So we better wait 1 day to figure out how it can do. Look at the reaction.
We just wait for 1 day, okay?
We just wait for 1 day, okay?
Okay.
Hey guys, today is part 2 bouncy egg. Last time we soaked the egg with vinegar. And now, after 24 hours, let's see the reaction. Whoa, so bouncy.
It's changing color, right?
Changing color. Yes, of course, guys. Whoa.
Wow, it's so bouncy.
After I make a bouncy egg, I decided to make a golden egg. Look, guys. Whoa, it's turning gold.
So the bouncy egg
So the
turning
bouncy egg turned gold
into
into
golden egg.
golden egg. That's so cool.
That's so cool. Wait. Wow.
It's so cool. Hey guys, today this is the fourth experiment. This experiment is very dangerous. Ask your mom or dad after.
Why it's very dangerous?
Because we use fire.
Fire.
Okay guys, now we're gonna put the egg in a bottle. Oh my god. So guys, that was my experiment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment in the bottom. I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Bye! Careful,